Don't know how to zoom this, so I don't guess you can zoom it. Let me show you how. But it's a beautiful day in Paducah. I'll think of what else I did to it. We'll fire the little baby up. You can see I got a new dashboard appointments and put all the wood grain stuff in there. Got all that done. Next we'll take you for a little ride around town.